Quick disclaimer, guys. We bought these pillows with our hard-earned money. We were not reimbursed or given free pillows by the company or anything like that. This is our honest opinion for items we purchased. This is our Sutera pillows. This is the Deep Dream, and it claims it has energy boost, cooling memory foam, stress reduction, back, neck, joint relief, back, hip, joint relief. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. They have to inflate, so we'll see what it is. Okay, that's what it looks like in the box. Let's go and pull it out. It's like one of those mattresses you buy that's foam that you have to inflate. First of all, does it stink? Not horrible. All right. So we will let this inflate and see what it does. Ooh, it's nice though. It's really soft. It does say that it has a smell. However, the new pillow smell is not dangerous to your health. It will dissipate in a few days to a week. So it's going to stink for a week. You may not be able to sleep with it when it's first unboxed. They recommend that you take it out of the box and leave it for 3 to 7 days in a well-ventilated area. After airing, a bit of baking soda can deodorize your foam memory pillow. Then use a vacuum cleaner to remove it. I'm not going through all of that. Okay, so it has a cover that's removable and washable. That's pretty cool. So I sleep like, how do I sleep? Like that. So we'll see. Let's let this inflate and get full. I'll unbox the other one and we will give it a try. So let's put the pillow in place. There it goes. Magic. First of all, doesn't have a pillowcase. I don't like that. I don't like having this cover on there without a pillowcase. That's a big issue. They don't make a pillowcase for it. I guess you could put a regular one, but it's got the weird shapes. So the way you're supposed to sleep, if you're a side sleeper, you put your head in a crack, which is right here, and you put your arm like this, inside this little cubby hole. That's not the way I sleep. I sleep like this. I put my arm underneath my head and do this. So my head is actually tilted down because it's so thin. Don't like it. If you sleep like this, possibly. I still think my head's tilted weird. If I sleep on my back, I can sleep like this. These little grooves, I think they're completely useless. It's just completely useless. Okay, let's show me my regular pillow. So I normally use a bamboo, but squishy, keeps my head elevated. If I sleep on my side, I'm gonna sleep like that, arm under, comfy. I'm sticking with my old pillow. This one, it's just too thin. We both agree that is too thin for a pillow. So, I tried it for about a week, faithfully. In the middle of the night, every night, threw it to the side, grabbed my old pillow because my neck hurt. I didn't like it. It's too thin for me. If you like a thin pillow, this may be the best pillow in the whole wide world. You'll love it and never get another pillow. Not my thing. Mike, same way. He didn't even try. He tried it for like 10 minutes and gave up on it. I did give it a shot. So I'm not a fan. I did not like the Sutera pillow. If you do, please put your comment down below. I'd like to hear what you think about it. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. Welcome to my new subscribers, and give me a thumbs up on this video, guys. Have a good week.